Among these birds, one appears to be sick and slightly shaking, while the other appears to be healthy and appears to be feeding her. This demonstrates a rather unique and intriguing social characteristic that animals exhibit in their own natural world, a social interaction that exists without the need for verbal communication. Bartek's Animal World brings you closer to nature and helps you appreciate its beautiful and captivating world.
Flow through my vessel.